வெல்கம் டு இங்கிலீஷ் வேர்ட் ப்ரோ. இந்த வீடியோல நீங்க மனப்பாடம் பண்ண வேண்டியதில்ல. சும்மா கேளுங்க, அப்படியே ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுங்க. It will improve your pronunciation, fluency and confidence. Let's begin. Just listen and repeat.
I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I take a shower and get ready. I take a shower and get ready. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I talk to my friends in English. I talk to my friends in English. I come back home in the evening. I come back home in the evening. I do my homework. I do my homework. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am studying English. I am studying English. Please sit down. Please sit down. Come here. Come here. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Don't worry. Don't worry. Take care. Take care. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I can do it. I can do it. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. I am strong and confident. I am strong and confident. I will never give up. I will never give up. I am proud of who I am. I am proud of who I am. I am learning something new every day. I am learning something new every day. I am happy today. I am happy today. I am thankful for my life. I am thankful for my life. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. How much is this? How much is this? Can you help me? Can you help me? I'm looking for a hotel. I'm looking for a hotel. Please come with me. Please come with me. I'm new here. I'm new here. It's very beautiful here. It's very beautiful here. I'm enjoying the trip. I'm enjoying the trip. Let's take a photo together. Let's take a photo together. This food is delicious. This food is delicious. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The water is cold. The water is cold. The room is clean. The room is clean. The bag is heavy. The bag is heavy. The fan is on the wall. The fan is on the wall. The chair is broken. The chair is broken. The pen is on the table. The pen is on the table. The coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. The movie was interesting. The movie was interesting.
Great job! 50 வாக்கியங்கள் முழுமை பண்ணிட்டீங்க. இந்த வீடியோவை தினமும் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுங்க. இங்கிலீஷ் தானாக வரும். படிக்க வேண்டாம், கேளுங்க, ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுங்க. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep growing. Subscribe for Daily English with Tamil.